one makes two, but three becomes a crowd. Friends are meant to be just friends, and love was never said. You don't believe I really love you, I don't know why I should care. Often think about you, wish that you were here, but you don't believe I really love you.
Today's model is Zakaya. First up, we've prepped her skin, cleansed, tones, moisturised, and of course some eye cream. We're going to get her skin looking perfect today with the use of a few different foundations. Started off with concealed under the eyes, and we concealed any blemishes that she has that she wanted to cover up. We've used the model's own foundation in the colour Praline, and then we've used Bobbi Brown's stick foundation in Neutral Honey to use as a concealer. Also contoured the face with a face sculpting cream and concealed under the eyes and concealed her eyes with Pro Palette Cream Concealer. I'm also just using my ring finger there just to warm up the concealer so it blends in better. Just priming the eyes as well after we've concealed them, and just using a small bit of face powder. Now we're just setting the eyes. For the eyebrows, just brush up the eyebrow hairs and then just filling them in with some brow powder. It's in the colour of Ebony. You'll see how I'm brushing down. That's to make sure you fill in the actual eyebrows rather than just cover powder over the eyebrow hair. On her eyes, I've used the sweep of a mid-tone shade which is close to the colour of her own eyelids, but this colour has a bit of an orange tint to it. I've patted on a shimmery burnt orange on her mobile lid, bringing it up from the lid and pulling it up into the crease of her eye. On her brow bone, I've used a highlight, which is a matte nude colour, and I've also used that on the inner corner of her eyes to open them up a bit more. I've used a pink shimmer colour for an eye contour on the outer corners of her eyes. It gives them a bit of a more definition to her eye. Then I've gone in with the original orange shade to add to her eye contour. I've used a white gold on her inner lid and the inner corner of her eyes. With the lip liner, I've actually blended that lip liner into the lips with a lip balm. I want to keep the focus on the eyes. And then I finished the lips off with just a sheer orange colour. To finish off, I've used a tealish blue colour under the eye just to add some colour. Today's look, we wanted to ace the base basically. We had a few skin conditions that we wanted to cover up, and we did that with our model's own liquid foundation first, then using a Bobbi Brown stick foundation to go over those problem red areas as well. So we used some summery colours with a blue to contrast on those eyes, the blue underneath. Just really brings it all out, and it's a natural look, but it's actually got a good pop of colour to it. On her lips, we've just used cinnamon for the lip liner, and then with a sheer orange lipstick, and it's just really worked well with her natural lip colour as well. What do you think of the look?
I really love it. I like how matte my skin is now as well, and like the definition you've given me on my cheekbones, and the blue looks really cool.
Excellent. So this is a nice youthful look, but it also gives you a bit of colour, but it's also not too over the top. This production has been brought to you by Someday Pictures and Jenstar Makeup. You can follow us on Instagram.
Make him beautiful. Gwabadabiny.
A big shout out to Annie from Lush Cosmetics in the Murray Street store here in Perth. She's given us some prizes to give out each week, so if you tune in to 100.9 FM Noongar Radio here in Perth, then you can find out how you can win those prizes.